Hello, my future captains. How are you going with your career? As you all know, we will start the Convergency today after a long time, and this is my first voiceover video. So, how it goes? It goes good. So, today we will start with the Convergency. So, as we all know, the Convergency is nothing but the Earth Convergency. We will study about the Earth Convergency and curves, latitudes, longitudes, meridians, and more depth into it. So before we start, let us know what is convergency into the depth. So convergency is also known as the Earth convergency. Except at equator, any given two meridians are not parallel to Earth is also an converge lines. Yeah. So as we can see, the equator and any two meridians are not parallel to Earth are called convergence line to Earth. Yes. So now to explain this, let's draw an example for you. So example, let's take one Earth. Let's take, as you all know, if you have radio projections, we know something on the charts, something on the globe. Yeah. So first we'll do it on globe, then we will move it onto the charts. So this is our globe. This is our equator. Then this is latitudes and northern latitudes, southern latitudes, and next comes our prime meridian. Yes, prime meridian. Then this is our easterly longitudes, westerly longitudes. So guys, it's something boring because I too don't like convergency, but it's if we have to do it, the DGCA wala wants some. Yeah. So as you can see, let us mark it as 50. Okay. Let us mark it as 50, 0 degree, 20 degree, and 20 degree. Let us assume 20, 20, 50, and 0. Now it is maximum on the poles and minimum at the equator because the equator doesn't have any convergency. More convergency is at the poles, both the poles, northern pole and southern pole. Okay, so I think you are clear with that. And now let's move to, okay, take this note and just keep it in your books or somewhere else, and if you have your calculator just bring it because we will do some numericals to have your good understanding. It is a maximum at poles and at the equator, minimums at the equator. Okay guys. Okay, if you are good with your projections and measurements of distance of the earth, then you are really good. So just make a notes because you have a good notes that I am making. You have just copy in your books or somewhere else. Okay, so let's start with the next topic, that is the convergency and its formulas. So before starting it, let's understand the formula of convergency. So anyone can assume the formula because there is a two formula for a normal latitude and the mean latitude. Yeah, so let us understand first the normal form. So convergency is equals to chilong into sine of that latitude, means at which the value is given. So now there is a problem in the some people know chilat, that is dilat and delong. Okay, do not confuse in delong, chilat, and chilong and delong. Yeah, if you know this type of earth distance calculation, you, I'm 100% sure you know this, and I know you can solve the convergency every problem. Okay, So just make a note in your book side, and we will go through it. So let's start with our example. So convergency, just see your formula, and the second formula we will start with. Convergency is equals to Geelong into sine of mean latitude. Okay, sine of latitude, but mean wala. This latitude, that is mean latitude. Okay, make sure you see that is mean or some normal latitude given to you. Okay, now if we see in the example, see here it is a mean latitude. Okay, one mean and the other mean, let me show you, the other mean is at that side. Okay, so when I was a student I used to remember like this only because it's really good. And now that is the students and cadets are doing like they are drawing the graph and something, waste of time because they are, that's just the thinking problems and numericals. And if I'm warning you again, just bring your calculators because again we are doing with our first numerical of convergency. Okay, so let us understand. Okay, 1 minute guys, but we are on globe. Okay, now the calculations what we are doing, it's on the globe, then we will do it on the chart. Okay, so just go. So first guys, this is an important thing, convex and concave wala graph. Okay, so if the bulge is up, or you given the question given is north, so bulge will be coming up, and if given in the south, the bulge coming the downwards because converging lines goes towards the poles. Okay, if you see the dusra wala graph or the previous globe, the converging lines going towards the pole, not the equator, right? So this is convex and this is concave, right? This is not the lenses, right? Don't go in that. Just we are doing some jokes because convergency is something boring. I also know, guys, because I was a student. I too know what is convergency. So let's start with our first convergency question. So let us understand the question first. So convergency, let's write first formula. Convergency is equals to, okay, first convergency problems. Then let's do the first one. Let's start the formula first. Convergency is equals to Geelong into sine of that latitude. Okay. At the end, one thing I will tell you. Just stay with me. Okay. So sine of that latitude. Okay, or mean latitude if the given question is in mean latitude. Okay, so mostly the question will be given in like normal latitude form. Okay guys, let us do not waste our time. So given question is, let us draw the arc first, where the arc is in the northern or southern hemisphere. So this is two longitudes given us. There is a convergency on north. Okay, so the curve will be coming up, the perfect curve will be coming upwards, and there's a 20 degree and 30 degrees, so total how much it went to 50 degree, right? So total we have 50 degree of our convergency angle. So that's not a convergency or convergency angle. So first we will add this both. So 50, right? So we got our Chilong, right? So Chilong into sine of 0. Okay, 0 because there is no value given in the question to what we say, to estimate the what we say latitude. Okay, so we'll take as 0. So 0 degree, so how much, 50 into sine of 0, that is 100% 0. Yes guys, this is a favorite DGCA trap, you know. But the first, this what we have done, it is on the globe, Do not confuse, because it's a good which we have done is on the chart, and now I think we will do it on globe. So let's do it on the globe for a better understanding. Only one sum I will do it on the globe. If you are good with a globe reading or any else, okay. So let us draw 0 degree. Okay, so westerly longitudes. Then we have easterly longitudes. One, two, and three. So my hand is it's not stable. My hand is not stable. So this is 20, right? 20 degree and 30 degree. 1 minute, 30 degree, right? So this is 20. This is 30, and total combined we have 30 plus 20, that is 50 degree. So 50, we got 50, right? So the value of that not given, so we will consider as 0. So 50 into sine of, all we know, 0. So if you have seen this, if the globe problem, if you understand the chart wala, then skip the globe. Okay, if someone knows the globe, or skip the chart. Okay, so I'm not doing for every sum, just I'm having a good clear to you. As you can see here, there's a 50, right? So total 50 at 0 degree. Okay, so I think that is clear for you. And we got here 50 and 0, and total is also 0 degree. So guys, it's isn't easy. Hence we have to draw a globe if not understand it. If you have to draw the globe and everything, right? So now only we will directly do onto the other part of the, what we say, other part of the sums, right? So first we will do it as our second example sum. I think what you guys want of you want a diagram or what something else, chart wala only. So just give me a comment. Then in the next videos I will be picking with the diagrams or easy method, but some tricky easy methods. Okay, just to understand if you are good at calculations, that really. So now it is a conversion angle. Anybody know what is a conversion angle? Everybody know what is it. So this is a half of convergency. If your convergency is 18, your conversion angle would be somewhere 9, right? If it's 30, it will be CA will be, conversion angle will be 15. Okay, the half of convergency is the conversion angle. Okay, so one sum we will do it on that also. So let us take our question number 2, and let us understand the first question of this. Okay, so the initial great circle track from point A to 40 degree north, 002 degree from the west, and the point B is 50 degrees north, 010 degrees east at 06 degree, sorry, 060 degree, that is 60. Okay, so let us draw. Okay, once I will draw it on the chart, then the next we will do without any globe chart, without everything. Okay, so let's draw the, so example, it's easy I think. So let us draw on the, sorry, without drawing. Okay, without drawing we will do it. So let us draw, sorry, let us convert it from the convergency first. So convergency is equals to chilon into sine of that latitude. Okay, so what is given us? So convergency for, okay, point A 40 degree 00 north, 002 degree west, 50 north, and 10, okay, east at 60. So समवेयर 90 डिग्री, 90 तो नहीं होगा, तो कितना होगा, 10 तो 12 हो जाता है, ओके 12. So guys, I'm also some bit confused. Okay, we will draw the diagram also if we are getting confused. So guys, I'm also telling, don't go with your calculations, just draw a diagram. Okay, if you already know, so you can draw. बस the time waste नहीं होता है एग्जाम के अंदर. So let's start with our first. So it's in northern hemisphere, right? So bulge at up upwards. So total given us the 60, right? So this is 40, sorry 4, and the other angle should be 4. Yes. So total I think 60, 60 plus 4, 64. Total great circle will be 64. Yes. Now at the back the reverse will be somewhere, we got 60, 60, 64 plus 180. So 180 is somewhere 248, 244. I think 244, 248. Let me calculate on the calculator. Just a second. Okay, guys, we got our answer is 244. Yes. So right, we will write here 244. Then total great circle at B is 248. So we got our question as everything. So why I'm okay. This is my problem. I will not read the question for the first time. Okay, this is 50 and this is 40. So I missed these two. This is why I have drawn the, what we say, chart. Okay. So but we will, let's have the convergency first. 12 into sine of 45. So 80. Sorry 8. Then C is 4. Yes. So you got this. You got that. You got everything. So guys, कभी कभी होता है क्या कर सकते हैं. तो just see the question guys, एक बार just have a look. If you are having any doubt, just give me in the comments. Just I will be teaching you out faster as I am. Okay, so let us do without sorry, without any diagram, chart, globe. We will do it fast as we can. Okay, without diagram, guys. Genuinely, I'm doing without diagram. It's a challenge for me now. Okay, teaching you guys, having experience to me, that's a really good thing, right? Okay, without diagram. Now I'm writing on that. Okay, without diagram. Okay, okay, let's do it. Jai Mata Di. Okay, guys, the given question is given to us as A 59 degrees north and 010 degrees towards west, and B is given to us 65 degree, I think north, yes, north, and again we have 010 degrees, and the great circle track at A we have 050 degree. At A it's 050 degree. So without any time pass, let's start our question. Solution. Convergency. First find our convergency. If you once guys, बोर्ड छोटा हो जाता है कभी कभी बिकॉज क्वेश्चन वो देखता नहीं है. ओके, सो first we will find the convergency without any diagram. Convergency is equals to 20 into sine of 62, right? 62 होगा ना. Yes, 62, 100.1% 62, because I explain why I am sitting here guys, why I am sitting here, your captain is sitting here. Okay, so let me explain you how that 62 came into the picture. Okay, so 62, because see, 62, let us write first, then the value goes up. So what is 59 plus 65? Let me finish this one. 17.6 approximate, then let me approximate see 18. So 18, so add 50, yeah, 59 plus 64, that is 124 divided by 2, 62. Okay, understood, right? Chamka, chamka ke nahi? Okay. So great run line at great circle at A plus CA on the conversion angle. So conversion angle is 9. Wait a second, what I'm writing? 62 divided by 9. That no, 62 divided by that is 31, right? So that is 9. I know, but I'm confused again. I'm confused again, really. And I'm really why I'm getting confused today. पोपट क्यों हो रहा है मेरा? I know that is 9. 92 नो 31 भी नहीं है. 31 कैसे होगा यार फिर? उतना नहीं आएगा. उतना तो नहीं आना चाहिए. अप्रोक्सीमेट 18 है, राइट? तो 18 का तो 9 ही आएगा, तो why I'm thinking that much? 9 let me see my calculations. Oh, I'm got it. I'm getting confused at 124 divided by 2. Okay, so 18 divided by 2 that is 9. I know the answer. मैं गलत ही नहीं हो सकता यार. मैं हो ही नहीं सकता. I can give you a challenge. Okay, so 050 at A, so that is 9, that is 59 obviously. So great circle at B, great circle at B, so plus convergency. So 050 plus 18, yes. So 18 is equals to 68 degree. So let's add 68 degree. So let us mark it as big. मेरी आंखें धोखा खा जाएंगी कभी कभी. Okay, so 69, sorry, what I'm saying यार, 59 and 68. Okay, so great circle from B to A is how much? Somewhere 248. Yes, I think 248. 64 plus 180, so 248. This is something good. So guys, there's nothing there is no mistake in the video. Just I'm having some prank with you all. Because look, हो रही हैं थोड़ी थोड़ी mistakes, but I'm seeing to it. मैं बहुत दिनों बाद भी कर रहा हूँ ना. I'm doing almost 6.5 months. Yeah, because I was to teach in one institute, then I came here. I'm doing going with the online. Okay, just see this, guys. Just note in your notes and without diagram wise. So your instructor had been done. Okay, so let us do one more and then we will be winding up, because there is nothing in the convergency to elaborate like what the other people do of one almost 1.5 hour, right? They do. So given question to us in the second form is A is 47 degree and B is 41 degree south, both are in the south hemisphere, though I think bulge will come at the down here. Okay, so we are not done drawing the diagram, so let's do it directly. So what is there? 88 divided, I think yes, 88 divided by 2 is equal to 44. 44 10 into sin of 44 into कितना होगा, let me calculate. See, this is the power. ये दिमाग मतलब अलग ही चलता है, you know. Okay, so convergence is equal to 10 into sine of 44 is equal to 6.9, almost 7. So we'll just take the real values, then we will adjust that all according to the options given to us, right? So C is CA. Okay, CA is given us to 3.5, and the great circle at B is given to us is somewhere 300. Okay, 300 degree. So 300 plus 3.45 somewhere 3 point no 335, not 3 point. कितना होगा? Great circle at B 300 plus 6.5, 6.9, sorry, 6.9. Then again, so how much? 306.9. Yes. So let us convert the final great circle track. So we have GC is equals to A to B is 300 plus 180. So that is really not possible. So here what we do is all the aviation peoples what they are doing. So let's minus 307 minus 180. So here we get somewhere how much we get 1 2 sorry, yeah, 1 to 7. So this is the questions given to us, and this is all the all convergency questions are dependent upon. So just practice without diagrams. So guys, but there is a warning. Just if you are really really perfect in that, then only you do that problems without diagram. Okay. So let's meet you in the next video, and that's all for today, guys. You are a good pilot. This is my aim, that every student is a good pilot. And thank you, guys. Let's meet you next video.